morning, children. Today we are discussing about the English lesson Down the Rabbit Hole. Down the Rabbit Hole. This lesson is originated from Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Okay. All of you look at this picture. What is this? Here one maze and one girl is there. Okay. This girl name was Alice. And this is the maze. Maze means network of maze. Maze means network of paths and walls. Network of paths and walls. Okay. Maze means network of paths and walls. In your leisure time, you solve this puzzle. Okay. Then all of you look at the book. Alice was beginning to get very bored. Okay. She and her sisters were sitting under the trees. Her sister was reading, but Alice had nothing to do. Once or twice she looked into her sister's book, but it had no pictures or conversations in it. Okay. Alice was beginning to get very bored. Bored means she having in our holidays we get bored. Okay. She and her sisters were sitting under the trees. Alice and her sisters were sitting under the trees. Yeah. Underline the word under. Okay. Her sister was reading, but Alice had nothing to do. Alice did not have any work. Okay. Once or twice she looked into her sister's book, but it had no pictures or conversations in it. Conversations means dialogues. Conversations means dialogues. Okay. Alice was beginning to get very bored. Okay. He is having very bored. And she and her sisters were sitting under the trees. Her sister was reading book. But Alice had nothing to do. She is not having any work to do. Okay. Once or twice she looked into her sister's book, but it had no pictures or conversations in it. Alice looked into her sister's book, but it had no pictures. Without pictures, it is getting very bored. Without pictures and conversations means dialogue. Without pictures and conversations, the book is very bored. Okay. And what is the use of a book? Thought Alice. Thought means she is thinking. Process of thinking. Process of thinking. Thought means process of thinking. Okay. And what is the use of a book? Thought Alice. Without pictures or conversations. Alice thought that. And what is the use of this book? Without a picture and conversations, she tried to think something to do. But it was a hot day and she felt very sleepy and stupid. She tried to think something to do. She is having no work. She tried to do anything. But it was a very hot day. In summer we have hot days. Okay, and she felt very sleepy and stupid. And she felt very sleepy and lazy. Okay, stupid. Lack of stupid means lack of intelligence. Lack of intelligence means there is no interest in anything. Stupid means lack of intelligence. She tried to think of something to do, but it was a hot day and she felt very sleepy and stupid. She was still sitting and thinking when suddenly a white rabbit with a pink eyes ran past her. Okay, she is thinking like that. Suddenly a white rabbit with a pink eyes ran past her before her. Okay. Thinking means thinking. Okay. There was nothing really strange about seeing a rabbit. Strange means new. Strange. Strange means new. There was nothing really strange about seeing a rabbit. I have not seen it is rabbit is a common thing. Common thing is there is no nothing strange thing. There is no new thing is there. No. And Alice was not very surprised. Surprised. Underline the word surprised. Alice was not very surprised when the rabbit said, oh dear, I shall be late. Perhaps it was a little strange, Alice thought later, but at the time she was not surprised. Perhaps means maybe it was a little strange. It was a new one, but it thought her later. But this time she was not surprised. But then the rabbit took a watch out of its pocket, looked at it and hurried on. At once Alice jumped to her feet. But the rabbit took a watch out of his pocket. From his pocket he took a watch, looked at it and hurried on. Hurried means she is having confused. At once Alice jumped to her feet. I have never before seen a rabbit with either a pocket or a watch to take out of it, she thought. And she ran quickly across the field after the rabbit. She didn't stop to think, and when the rabbit ran down a large rabbit hole, Alice followed it immediately. Alice thinking like that, I have never before seen a rabbit with either a pocket or a watch to take out of it. Okay, any rabbit having any pocket? No, rabbits having no pockets and watches. Okay. She ran quickly across the field after the rabbit. After the rabbit, she ran quickly. She followed the rabbit. Okay, she means Alice. Alice followed the rabbit. She didn't stop to think, but she didn't. She had to thinking about the rabbit. And when the rabbit ran down a large rabbit hole, Alice followed it immediately. Rabbit ran down into a large rabbit hole. Rabbit hole. And rabbit hole. Rabbit hole means it is a burrow. You know that? Burrow. Burrow. In science we will learn this. Rabbit hole, burrows. Okay. She didn't stop to think, and when the rabbit ran down a large rabbit hole, Alice followed it immediately. Alice followed it. Okay, immediately means at once. Immediately. At once. Okay. All of you note this point. Okay. After a little way, the rabbit hole suddenly went down, deep into the ground. Alice could not stop herself falling, and down she went too. Okay. After a little way, after some time, the rabbit hole suddenly went down, deep into the ground. Deep into the ground. This one is the ground. The rabbit hole is like this. Okay. She is having down, deep into the earth. Okay. Alice could not stop herself falling, and down she went too. And down she went also this place also. Okay. Rabbit, first rabbit. Yeah, Alice follow. Okay, like this. It was very strange hole. Strange. Strange means new. Strange means new. We already discussed about it. Okay, it was a very strange hole. Alice was falling very slowly, and she had time to think and look around her. She could nothing below her because it was so dark. Okay? At the middle of the earth, we don't have light. No light. Okay, here no light. It was very dark hole. Okay? But when she looked at the sides of the hole, she could see cupboards and books and pictures on the walls. She had time to take things out of cupboards, look at them, and then put them back in a cupboard lower down. But in the rabbit hole, rabbit having a room he is having walls, a wall full of cupboards and books, pictures on the wall. She had time to take the things. She had to take the cupboard, take the things from the cupboard and look at them and place it again in the cupboard. Okay. Well, thought Alice. Thought means thinking. She is thinking inner voice. Okay, well, thought Alice. After a fall like this, I can fall anywhere. I can fall downstairs at home, and I won't cry or say a word about it. After a fall like this, after a fall like this, I can fall anywhere. I can fall downstairs. Downstairs means steps. Downstairs. Downstairs means steps. Okay. After a fall like this, I can fall anywhere. I can fall downstairs at home, and I won't cry or say a word about it. And I won't cry. I don't cry about it. Okay. After falling up from the downstairs, down, down, down. How far I have fallen now? Alice said aloud to herself. Perhaps I am near the center of the earth. Let me think. That's 4,000 miles down. Alice was very good at her school lessons and could remember a lot of things like this. Okay. Down, down, down. She is falling like down, down, down. Alice is thinking like, perhaps I am near the center of the earth. Center of the earth means here earth is like this. Okay, here we have living. She falling like this at this point. Center of the earth. Imagine like that. And she is falling at the center of the earth. The center of the earth is having 4,000 miles down from the surface. It is having 4,000 miles. 4,000 miles. Center of the earth having 4,000 miles from the surface. From the surface to here, the center, it having 4,000 miles. Alice was very good at her school lessons and could remember a lot of things like this. Remember means don't forget. Recognize. Remember. Down, down, down. Would she ever stop falling? She ever stop falling? Alice was very nearly asleep when suddenly she was sitting on the ground. At the center of the air, she is lost. Down, down, down. Suddenly she was sitting on the ground. She is having here some ground place. Okay. Quickly she jumped to her feet and looked around. She jumped to her feet and looked around. she could see the white rabbit who was hurrying away and still talking to himself. She again recognized the white rabbit who was hurrying away, who was running away and still talking to himself. Himself means in at him. Oh my eyes and whiskers, he was saying. How late it's getting. Whiskers means whiskers. Whiskers means long hair, growing near the mouth. Near the mouth of rabbit. Long hairs growing near the mouth of rabbit is known as whiskers. Okay, look at this. Yeah, these are having long hair. This is called as whiskers. Whiskers. These whiskers. Okay, lion, tiger, these are also having whiskers. Okay. She could see the white rabbit who was hurrying away and still talking to himself. Oh my ears and whiskers, he was saying. He means here the rabbit. Okay, how late it's getting? Alice ran after him like the wind. Like the wind means fastly. Alice ran after him like the wind. She was getting very near to him when he suddenly turned a corner. When he almost approached the rabbit, but the rabbit is turned in a corner. Alice ran down the corner too, and then stopped. She was now in a long dark room with doors all round the walls, and she could not see the white rabbit anywhere. Okay? She was now in a long means long, dark room, huh? With doors, all the walls having doors, and she could not see the white rabbit anywhere. In this room, in the dark room, she could not recognize the rabbit. She could not have to see the rabbit. Okay. She tried to open the doors, but the doors were locked. How will I ever get out again? She thought sadly. She thinking sadly. How will I ever get out again? Okay, she is present like that. She is in the dark chamber. And all the doors were closed and locked. Okay, then she saw a little glass table with 3 legs. Then she saw a little glass table with 3 legs. And on the top of it was a very small gold key. A small gold key is there on the top of the table. Alice quickly took the key and tried it in all the doors, but oh dear, either the locks were too big or the key was too small. The locks were small, too big, and the key was too small. But she could not open any of the doors. Okay, she is having so much of doors, and the doors were having, the locks were too big, and the key was the small. She could not open any of the door. Then she saw another door, a door that was only 40 centimeters height. 40 centimeters height. The door was having 40 centimeters height. Centimeter height. The door was there. Then she find a small door. The door was only 40 centimeters high. The golden key opened this door easily. But of course, Alice could not get through it. Okay, Alice is big one. Alice. Okay, this is the Alice. Okay. The door was small door. He is having only 40 centimeters. This door was having only 40 centimeters. Alice could not get into the door. Okay. The little gold key opened the door easily, but of course Alice could not get through it. She was much too big. So she lay on the floor and looked through the open door into a beautiful garden with green trees and bright flowers. Okay, she lay means she slept on the floor and looked through the open door into a beautiful garden. Beautiful garden with green trees and bright flowers. Okay. Once again we reverse the lesson. Alice is a girl. She is having one sister. One day she getting very bored. Alice getting very bored. And she is not having any work to do. Her sister is reading the book. Alice sometimes look into the book. In that book, she couldn't find any pictures or conversation. Conversations means dialogues. Okay, she slept like that, very lazy, and she slept like that. In front of her, a white rabbit with pink eyes. Here, a white rabbit with pink eyes ran down into the fields, and the Alice was getting very surprised to look at this rabbit. Because of the rabbit is talking to herself. Okay, the rabbit having a watch out of him from his pocket. She is surprised because of the rabbit having some pocket and having one watch also. So she followed the rabbit. Then she is go through the rabbit hole. She is going through the rabbit hole. She is Alice follow rabbit through the rabbit hole. Rabbit hole is like in the center of the earth. She is having so deep. There is no light. In that rabbit hole, she is recognized some books, shelves, okay, doors, okay. Next cupboards, okay. Later after she is having surprise to look at the books and cupboards. Okay, she is down. She is felt like that. After some time, she is recognize that she is see the rabbit. Okay, after the rabbit is ran into the dark room. The dark room having so many doors. The doors are not open. All the doors were closed. Alice recognize a three legs glass table. On the table, she recognized a long golden key. She recognized a golden key. To use this recognizing all the doors are not open. At last she has recognized one small door. It is having 40 centimeters. With that golden key, the door is opened. But Alice could not go through the door. Because she is very big one and the door was very small one. Later she lay on the floor and watch through the door. She is having beautiful garden and with green trees and bright flowers. Okay. Thank you.